How you doing? This is Jeremy with the Body Lab, coming at you today, showing you how to save a little bit of money. I have our Gasbye Food Saver that you can pick up on our Zion store. And I'll tell you what, this is a great time of year to do this. It is Easter weekend. So this roast was a $207 rib roast. And on sale, because it's Easter, paid $83 for it. So just in one use, in one single use, this machine is absolutely paid for. It's like I got it for free, which is great because now the rest of the money I save is all money in my pocket. The nice thing about this machine, it also has a little adapter here, which you plug in a hose and it actually goes into your Tupperware containers. They are separate. However, I do have some on the way. And, again, that'll be good for, you could do fruit or, anything that you would normally store in Tupperware that you want to take the air out of. It's perfect for it. So with this roast, I went ahead and I deboned it. So this was a bone-in roast. And what I did is I already cut it. I basically just cut the bone out. Kind of like your butcher would do. If you were doing a roast in the oven and then he would just put it back together and tie it. I went ahead and took it out. So now I got ribs too, which is great. So I'm gonna cut a steak here and we're gonna see how this thing works. All right, so now we have a nice boneless ribeye that's gonna be great on the grill. And again, you go to the store right now, you're gonna pay 20 bucks a pound, if not more, for that piece. All right, so this machine actually, inside of it, has a little spot for a roll of bags. And there's actually a built-in cutter that comes with it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a bag. That should be big enough. All right, so now we got the bag and we have to seal one end of it. So we take our machine, we push the handle down, and there is a button here for manual seal. So we're gonna hit that, and we got a 15-second countdown. So we'll wait. Again, talk about a great way to save money. I have a 19 and a 16-year-old. They're both athletes and they eat a ton. So, to throw steaks in the freezer for that price is really a spectacular deal. And just like that, we got a nice seal in our bag. We're gonna open this up. Put our beautiful ribeye in, boneless ribeye that we now have. And we're gonna seal it. Press the handle down again. This time, there's another button on here. It's called vacuum seal. And that's it. And that bag is airtight, ready for the freezer. It's gonna work a million times better than the Ziploc. And that's it. So I'm gonna cut the rest of this up. And my kids will have some good steaks in the freezer. I hope everybody has a lovely weekend. And again, this is Jeremy with the Body Lab. And you can find our Gasbye vacuum sealer on our Zion store. Everybody have a great weekend. Thank you.